here's a clip of where the New York Central ran. I'm just west of McElhatten. This is technically where I'm at, is Youngsdale. New York Central is down there. The Buffalo line's right next to it that NS uses, former Pensy. But there's a rail trail from McElhatten to Castanea. So, yeah. New York Central goes underneath us and stays to the left of yeah, there's a restaurant. Left of Bald Eagle Creek. Like I said, the NS Buffalo line's to my right. So, New York Central heads toward Castanea. We're coming into Lock Haven. This is US 220 southbound.